Ever wonder why you're still waiting 3 to 5 business days for money to move between your bank and your brokerage? If you're using Ally Bank and Ally Invest separately, you're essentially leaving speed and interest on the table. After managing both for a while, I've found that the best approach isn't just about having both accounts, it's about how you link them to create a seamless cash flow. The first thing I did was move my primary hub to an Ally spending account. When your checking and your investments are under the same Ally login, the integration changes the game. Unlike external transfers that lag, moving money from Ally Bank to Ally Invest self-directed trading is nearly instantaneous during market hours. I've found that if I initiate a transfer between 8 a.m. and 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the cash is usually ready for trading within minutes. This is a massive advantage if you see a market dip and need to deploy capital right now. My strategy for the invest side is to keep uninvested cash at an absolute minimum. Ally Invest doesn't pay much interest on idle cash sitting in the brokerage account. To solve this, I utilize the instant money movement feature. I keep my dry powder in an Ally savings account earning a high yield, and only sweep it into invest the second I'm ready to buy. When I sell a position, I don't let the proceeds sit. I move them back to a savings bucket immediately to start earning interest again. Speaking of buckets, that's the secret to the bank side. I've set up a specific investment buffer bucket within my savings account. This keeps my trading capital separate from my emergency fund or vacation savings, even though it's all in one account. For those using robo-portfolios, the approach is slightly different. Those transfers can take up to 5 business days because Ally has to actually buy or sell the underlying ETFs to rebalance your portfolio. Because of that lag, I treat the robo account as a set-it-and-forget-it destination with a recurring monthly transfer from my checking. The setup process is straightforward. Log into the Ally website, go to Transfers, then Invest Transfers, and select Link Ally Accounts. Once they are paired, you'll see your total net worth, both cash and securities, on a single dashboard. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.